8.7 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.7 billion views, and it still doesn't stop. This channel keeps crossing billions of views again and again like it's normal. And what's crazy is every single one of those views is money. Not small money, massive money. We're talking about a channel like Cocomelon, Nursery Rhymes, where kids don't just watch once, they watch every day, on repeat, without getting bored. That means more watch time, more ads, more revenue. Every single day. Now look at the numbers. Around 1,963 videos, not 10,000, not some insane number. Yet they've built a system that has crossed over 200 million subscribers. 200 million. That's not just a channel anymore. That's an empire. And here's where it gets serious. Their estimated monthly income ranges from around $328,000 all the way up to $5.3 million per month. Every single month. And yearly, that can go anywhere from $5 million to $80 million. Just from content. Let that sink in. Now I know what you might be thinking. This is a huge company. They have teams, animators, budget. Obviously they can make this kind of money. And yes, today they do. But here's the truth most people miss. They didn't start as a giant machine. They became one because they built a system that prints money at scale. And that's the part you need to focus on. Because today you don't need a big team. You don't need expensive animation software. You don't need years of experience. What you need is a system that works and the ability to repeat it. And thanks to AI, that system is now available to anyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate this model, not by copying their exact content, but by understanding how they turn simple ideas into highly addictive videos that generate insane watch time and insane revenue. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from building your channel to generating videos to creating music to assembling everything into a final product. And once you understand this, you'll realize something very important. This is not just content creation. This is digital leverage. Let's start with the foundation, which is idea generation and channel setup. Instead of wasting time trying random ideas, you're going to model what is already making millions. Go to the homepage of Cocomelon, Nursery Rhymes, and take a screenshot. This screenshot becomes your reference. It shows the style, colors, layout, and overall branding that is already proven to work. Now open ChatGPT, upload that screenshot, and tell it clearly that you want to create a similar type of channel. Ask it to generate a channel name along with prompts for logo and banner creation. Within seconds, you'll have multiple options. Pick a name that feels simple and memorable, because in this niche, simplicity wins. Now move to branding. Take the logo prompt and open Google Gemini. Paste the prompt and generate your logo. What would normally take hours of design work is now done in seconds. Repeat the same process for the banner, and just like that, you've created a channel that looks professional. And that matters because better branding means higher trust, and higher trust means more clicks, and more clicks means more money. Now comes the core of the system, which is video creation. Go to the most viewed video on the channel, copy the link, then use a transcript generator to extract the full script. Bring that script into ChatGPT and clean it by removing timestamps. Now you have a complete content structure in your hands. This step alone saves hours of effort, but more importantly, you're not guessing anymore. You're working with something that has already generated millions, sometimes billions of views. Now take that script and open Gemini, paste it along with the video link, and ask it to generate scene-by-scene breakdowns. What you're doing here is converting a viral video into a blueprint. Each scene becomes a building block, and each building block moves you closer to a finished video that can generate views and revenue. Now we bring those scenes to life. Take the first scene prompt and open Google Flow, paste it, and generate. Your first clip is ready, then repeat for the second scene, then the third, then the fourth. You keep going until your entire video is built. And here's the important part. You're not doing complex editing. You're not manually animating anything. You're simply following a system, and systems scale. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated parts of content, which is music. Without music, your video feels empty. With the right music, your video becomes engaging, emotional, and addictive. Take your script and go to ElevenLabs. Use the music feature, paste your script, and generate a song. In minutes, you now have a custom soundtrack. This adds another layer of retention to your video, and higher retention directly translates to higher earnings. Now it's time to combine everything. Open CapCut, import all your clips, arrange them in order, add your generated music, adjust timing so everything flows naturally, fix small issues, make it smooth, because smoother videos keep people watching longer, and longer watch time means more ads, and more ads mean more money. Now export your video in high quality, and just like that, you've created a complete AI-powered video. But here's the bigger picture you need to understand. This is not about making making one video. This is about building a system that can produce videos again and again. Because on YouTube, consistency multiplied by a working system equals income. The more videos you upload, the more chances you create. The more chances you create, the more views you get. And the more views you get, the more money you make. The creators making millions are not lucky. They're just consistent with a system that works. And now you have that system. So the only thing left is execution. Because the opportunity is already here. The tools are already here. And the money, that's waiting on the other side of action.